What's up, guys? If you notice here, we got us a fairly new Goodman here, but there's a problem with it. Oh damn, there's no condenser coil. Oh, that was nice. Look at that. There's where they cut the copper off the compressor, cut it right there at the dryer, cut it down there, cut all the wires up. They left all there was actually still power flowing to this thing. I'm the one that pulled the disconnect. I'm trying to find a model number. I think I see a model number tag right here. Yep. It is I'm shooting on my iPhone because I don't have my camera with me. GSC 13030. So it's a 2.5 ton from 2012. So that means that this was a dry shipped unit. This was a dry shipped unit. So more than likely that's what we'll go back with. But I thought you guys would enjoy that. We see this shit all the time over here. So I have to go in there. This is a rental property for a customer of mine. So he'll just have to buy another dry shipped unit. That's all he can do. All right, y'all.